Today, I stand before you to emphasize the profound importance of unity and harmony within the Tibetan exile society. For decades, Tibetans have faced immense challenges and hardships, but our strength lies in our unity, resilience, and commitment to preserving our culture, identity, and the vision of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Unity is not merely a word, it's the cornerstone of our struggle. When we are united, we are a force to be reckoned with, capable of overcoming any obstacle that stands in our way. Together, we have built a vibrant and thriving Tibetan community in exile, sustaining our traditions and nurturing the aspirations of our people. Harmony, too, plays a pivotal role. It is the glue that binds us together, transcending our differences and fostering a sense of belonging. In a world marked by division and conflict, our ability to maintain harmony is a testament to the strength of our culture and values. As Tibetans in exile, we carry a responsibility not only to our own community but also to the Tibetan cause as a whole. Our unity and harmony serve as an inspiration to those inside Tibet who continue to endure immense hardships. It sends a powerful message to the world that we stand united for justice, human rights, and the preservation of our unique heritage. In the face of adversity, let us remember that our unity and harmony are our greatest assets. Let us work together, support one another, and continue to uphold the vision of a free Tibet. Together, we can achieve the dreams of our people and ensure a brighter future for generations to come. Thank you.